Okay, so in this video you are going to look at CSWP CAM exam practice questions. So this is a document from Solidworks. You can find these documents on their website. Yes, and I've also put up a document over here. So from my own experience from the exams that I've taken, I put up this document, which is also the same as what is inside here. So we are going to tackle the first question. So we are supposed to create a TechDB database and then rename it to this and then link it to our CAMWorks application. So let's start by going to this directory. I'm using CAMWorks, so instead of Solidworks I'll be using CAMWorks, which is basically the same thing. So the same procedure. So let's do that. So I'll just go here and then open CAMWorks data here and then TechDB and then open the. So we are going to make a copy of this and then rename this. Rename it to, so it's TechDB dash sample. So after doing this, you are going to link it to our CAMWorks application. So just search the TechDB. So search Tech. It's an application. So you open it and then you are going to link the one we've created here to the application. Yes. So it's the same thing for Solidworks CAM. So you open your technology database and then you link it. Yes. So we go to settings. So we are now in the CAMWorks database. And so this is the default one. So you're going to add the one we just created. So I'll go to browse, select this one, open. Okay. So you can see it has been added. So I'll make this one the active database. So I'll just make here active. Alright, so the database is successfully linked. So from here, mind you, you don't have to do this with the Solidworks application open. So you make sure the application is closed and then you do all this before you start your exams. Alright.